Samla Bashimti Snaitang na Kashnong lang haga district Southwest Khasi Hills. Samla ka populier haga St. Xavier's College Umoid Mokerwat. Kalawan ra nam bat kabura me kadong bat kathan Mokerwat bat ek district bro ko wailing bag jingyo jengka ya kerdan top 10 haga subject political science na school ba Northeastern Hill University haga examen ka brang shudab ha ubrai jileu arhajar arfusaho. Laban keruang ni ba Bashimti Snaitang ka wen gi kana iba sedang nengkong ya Bachelor of Arts ha St. Xavier's College Umoid ha Southwest Khasi Hills. Kajingyo Samla Bashimti kerdan top 10 na school ba NEHU kala penlong ba kinong penyat ba kinong hikai ba kina pulia jong ka college ba kindon ya jings sarong.
I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier's is for all of us who can make the difference.